Masquera say Mre Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana kari kutanga kukuya paneno channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana chungwa garo ka subscriber, don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi Mre Zimbabwe, takuigirai nyaya yaburitswa nema political commentators ayo abuda express skepticism ni recent public declaration Yakapihwa na President Mnangagwa vachitaura ivo vachiti havana intention yekurana for the third term as the president. So pavaiadresa the crowd of ZANU-PF supporters paKomutare apa vai commissioner the Mutare Teachers College fruit juice and water processing plant musi wa 4 July Mnangagwa vakabuda vachitaura vachiti you will retire kana achinge apedza his current and final term. Asi nakupera mushe political commentators political observers abuda expressa skepticism near this statement. Vauta Mzembe, former foreign affairs minister avo vari currently self-exiled in South Africa, vabuda describe statement rava Mnangagwa as a public stand ahead of the upcoming SADC summit yerikuhostwa muZimbabwe next month. VaMzembe vanyora on Twitter vachitaura vachiti ahead of the SADC summit, announcing that he will abide by the constitution, serve his 2 terms and retire by 2028. A very good PR stunt by ED. Vakaendera mberi vachitaura vachiti his script was flowing smoothly until he punctuated it by referring to himself as Munumutapa. Munumutapas are kings, they die in office. Those are Buddha vachitaurwa na vauta Mzembe Mre Zimbabwe vachitaura ivo vachiti President Mnangagwa vakanganisa pavakazvirifera as to Munumutapa. Munumutapa empire yaitungamirirwa nema kings aisabva in power Mre Zimbabwe. UK based Zimbabwean academic vaBrighton Mutebuka vabuda vachitaura ivo vachiti my political rivals within ZANU-PF they should be careful nezvataurwa na President Mnangagwa. Vabuda vachitaura ivo vachiti my take is that caution still needs to be taken pertaining to whether or not today's announcement is grounded in sincerity. It really was a damp squib and bordered on feebleness, a sort of anticlimactic capitulation and wholly uncharacteristic of political gladiators of his ilk. It leaves one feeling that there is another installment in store, more twists and turns before the finale, as we saw with Robert Mugabe. Figures of history such as these rarely bow out without drama. They find power terribly addictive and the corridors of power irresistible. They almost always feel drawn towards giving it one more shot before the coup de grace, which often makes for a dramatic and unforgettable exit. Final take is not over until it's finally over. All the leading gladiators should sleep with their eyes open. There is a reason why there has been a peaceful and democratic succession in ZANU-PF in Zimbabwe since independence, from the Mnangagwa declaration to the November 2017 coup. Those are Buddha. Start now Brighton Mutebuka, start evil, Achiti. Those who thinks they are going to succeed President Mnangagwa, but for now they should not relax. Ninya zvataurwa na Mnangagwa shinzi kupa kudhara apasati pamboitwa a peaceful transfer of power muZANU-PF shinzi so pari tricky zvinogona kusaitika Mre Zimbabwe. Tisingazoona sei nyaya iyi zvikuda kwatiri kuita President Mnangagwa vakabuda vachitaura vachiti he will retire in 2028. Ndofunga vachitaurawo zvakare mushure mekunge vapinda pachigaro mugore 2018 vakabuda vachitaura ivo vachiti he will respect the constitution. Mre Zimbabwe tisingazoona sei nyaya iyi tudziwo zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section. Another political commentator, Majaira Jairos Abuda achitaura iye achiti this is exactly who Mnangagwa is. He denies things by day and by night. He would be punishing dandaheads like all Ngcuve to chant 2030 vaMnangagwa vanenge vachipo. period leading to Mnangagwa's ouster, ED would deny the existence of La Costa, his foot soldiers like Tseningamu and Komwe Zianzi. Which constitution does Mnangagwa follow? His statement is meant to buy time and woodwink generality, whilst behind the scenes is pushing for a third term. He doesn't want you to alert the people of his devilish plot. There was Akabuda Stawa na Majaira Jairos, then another political commentator, Kirina Mujati, Akabudo Zakari, comment on this issue that are here. Achidi, good evening, Zimbabwe. This rabid dog called Emerson Mnangagwa in Mashonaland East Chikomba district in May, he was bragging that people endorse him, ED 2030. He even maliciously tried to manipulate and humiliate Yapihwa Chiwenga amongst his own people by forcing him sloganeering ED 2030, whereby it was evident that Chiwenga was having none to do with the satanic ED 2030 slogan, as he refused to be abused publicly by ED. Suddenly, as the pressure is mounting that the bloody thieving scumbag Emerson Mnangagwa must go, he also threatened to sasanga those who dare him to protest that he would unleash the security services on them. All of a sudden, the perennial thief is lying that he would go in 2028. Emerson Mnangagwa, you don't decide when you leave the dance floor. The people of Zimbabwe hate you with a passion and never voted for your evil, greedy, selfish, deranged, and incompetence. People of Zimbabwe will demand that you go, and you are not a leader, but a damned thief, looter, murderer, and a wicked thug of loose morals, not fit for anything leadership, but belong in a dungeon indefinitely. Varume iyi mbavha inonzi Emerson Mnangagwa nembavha dzayo ngaiende aside kunyepera kuzungaira. We are not his subjects. Emerson Mnangagwa hapana anokuda mudhara mbavha iwe. Leave our nation alongside your dirty bastards of children. Hate is an underestimate. You are loathed by Zimbabweans. Out you must go as soon as possible. Urichi mbavha kana Zimbabwe vatambura. If you trust this murderer and keep him, muchauraiwa mese. Ndozabuda zvitaurwa na Kirina Mujati zvitaura iye achiti last time muna May President Emerson Mnangagwa endorse the 2030 anenge achipo. So what is happening kuti izvozvi vakutaura ivo vachiti is retiring. Tirazoti munoona sei nyaya iyi tiudzewo zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section.